Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the Pocket playlist. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, you'll learn how to sew scoop and slant patch pockets. These pockets look similar to the ones from the previous tutorials in this playlist, but this time the pocket bags are sewn on top of the garment with visible stitching that adds a lovely design feature. If this is your first time here, don't forget to check out the other pocket tutorials in the series. Each one builds your skills step by step, whether you're new to sewing or just brushing up. Want to sew along with me? There are free downloadable patterns linked in the description below. Let's start with the scoop pocket. This version looks very similar to a traditional scoop pocket, but as you can see from these samples, it features decorative top stitching around the pocket bag for an extra design touch. Cut the fabric and mark all notches. The front and pocket pieces are cut from the main fabric, in my case denim, and the pocket bag is cut from lining fabric. Pin the pocket and lining right sides together. Sew along the scoop edge and the large curved edge to bag out the pocket. Trim and clip the scooped edge. And just trim the outside edge because it's an outward curve, and that will help them both sit nicely. Turn through and press, ensuring no lining shows on the right side. Edge stitch and top stitch along the curve. Pin the pocket to the main piece, matching notches. Edge stitch and top stitch around the pocket bag. Stay stitch the top and side of the pocket to the main fabric. Press the pocket. And that's it. How simple was that? Next, let's sew the slant pocket. Once again, note the difference between the classic slant pocket versus the slant patch pocket and the extra design detail around the pocket bag. Cut the fabric and mark the notches. The front and pocket pieces are cut from the main fabric, the pocket bag from lining, and the reinforcement strip from fusible interfacing. Press the interfacing onto the pocket bag. Pin the pocket and lining right sides together. Sew along the two right-angled sides, but not the slant line yet. Trim the right angle seams. Understitch by pressing the seam allowance towards the lining and sewing on the lining side only. Now stitch the slant line. Trim and clip. And turn through. Press so no lining shows on the right side. Edge stitch and top stitch the slant line. Pin the pocket to the main, matching notches. Edge stitch and top stitch around the pocket bag. Stay stitch the top and side of the pocket to the main fabric. Give it a final press. Congratulations, you've completed another professional looking pocket. Next up in the pocket playlist, we'll be sewing a shirt patch pocket with a flap that includes a button and buttonhole, which is not only functional and secure, but also adds a decorative feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're sewing along with this series, I'll see you in the next one.